Okay, this video is describing a benefit we have for employees of Allure Medical Spa to be healthy, to be healthier. There's going to be 5 different modules, so if you're interested in weight loss and optimizing your health from weight standpoint, the first 3 modules are very pertinent to you, and the last 2 modules are pertinent to everybody. So even if you're at your ideal body weight, you might want to listen towards the end. So we have a weight loss program that we offer our patients, but we're also going to offer it to employees of Allure Medical Spa at no charge. So there's 3 modules, and you and the doctor can decide what modules apply to you, and the modules 4 and 5 is for everybody. Even if you're not interested in weight loss, you just want to maintain what you have. So module 1 is going to be a 3-month program, 12 weeks, where you come in twice a week. We do some counseling on what you're going to eat, and you eat healthy, try to cut your calories down when you're trying to lose weight. And we're going to give you some supplements that are nutraceuticals that will help suppress your appetite and let you burn sugar more, in addition to twice weekly injections that help with your metabolism, help you optimize your health, and help you suppress the craves. Okay, so module 1 will be for shots twice a week for 3 months, and it'll help you lose weight and get to your weight loss targets. Module 2 is going to be involving, like, let's say you have an area that's problematic, like your belly you can't reduce, and that's a problem area. We do the Zerona. The Zerona is a laser, it's a cold laser that causes your fat cells to open up and lets the fat kind of flush out. And it puts it on hyperdrive. So if you have a problem area in your stomach and you're following a diet and you're doing the shots, but you're worried about getting your stomach off really fast, you can do the Zerona for 2 weeks. You come in 3 times a week for 2 weeks, and you'll see that reduced. Typically, you'll lose like a dress size in the 2 weeks. So that's module 2, and that's included for employee benefits for Allure Medical Spa employees. Module 3, what happens if you have a problem with, like, say, a food addiction or excessive cravings? One thing's been proven to work is acupuncture, specifically ear acupuncture. They originally developed this for other reasons, such as heroin addiction or drug addiction, but it also works for food cravings, helps you relax. So once a week, you come in for the entire 3 months, and you get ear acupuncture. It takes about a minute or so. I guess about a minute to put them in, but you just keep them in for a little while. And it'll help you feel more relaxed. There's certain zones in the ear that trigger food addictions and say cravings, so that'll help suppress that. That's module 3. And that's available for everybody. Now the next 2 modules are something that we're just kind of rolling out now. Module 4 will be overcoming a big obstacle I see. When I talk to patients about losing weight, we talk to them about their diet, they get all jazzed up, and then life enters the picture. Back to work, don't have time to prepare healthy foods. Or maybe the foods I tell them to eat kind of like bland because they don't have the flavor, and it's better to eat like a hamburger. And I want you eating hamburgers. So we've already supply in the office the Vitamix or the Ninja and the fresh vegetables. The vegetables that we have on there have the highest nutritional density index, and I want you to continue that. So if you're in this program, I want you to have one of those in the morning. Maybe you make it at home, or you come in here and make it, and we'll supply the fresh produce. And again, if you eat the foods with the highest nutritional density, which is your plants, your green leafy vegetables, it suppresses your appetite because you've gotten the nutrition you need, and your body doesn't have the craves, versus, say, having bread in the morning, which is a horrible idea. So we'll pay for that. But also, I've hired a chef company, Ken Jackson. He's going to make what we're going to call Mother Earth's best foods, okay? And we can imagine that you should be eating lean chicken, let's say, and some vegetables. It's kind of hard to make and prepare that. What he's going to do is get the absolute best superfoods from a meat and a vegetable standpoint. We're not going to have grains. That's kind of out of our diet if we want to be healthy. So he's going to source out organic, high quality vegetables and make them up in a fashion that they taste very good. And I've been eating this way. If you see me eat, it's always very high quality, very healthy foods. And the meats will be the best possible meats. There's an animal called the Piedmontese cow, which when we make the Piedmontese cow, we take the beef from it, particularly if both parents were Piedmontese. When you go to a restaurant like Red Coat Tavern, the mother was a steer and the father was a Piedmontese. Well, that's not true Piedmontese beef. But true Piedmontese beef, they were fed grass, and they're overly muscled, and they have very low fat content. In fact, a Piedmontese beef, let's say a hamburger or a steak, has got less fat than chicken breasts. And it's got more omega-3 fats than Atlantic salmon. It's actually healthier than eating Atlantic salmon. And it's like a hamburger or a steak. It's fantastic. That's the only red meat I'll ever eat. We're going to use organic free-range chicken for the chicken breast, and we're going to use some kind of wild-caught fish or healthy fish that's lean. So that'll be your protein source. If you feel you need to eat meat, you don't really need to. And then there'll be the healthy vegetables. So he's going to put together packages. It'll be enough for you to have 2 meals a day at the office. We'll pay for it. This is all part of your benefit. because I want to see our staff being more healthy, and we should live the way we talk. And I think realistically, we face the fact that it's easier to walk over to McDonald's or to Panera Bread and get stuff that we should not be eating, and it's too easy. So now we make it easy, so all you have to do is walk to the refrigerator and you grab a meal out. Okay, and it'll be enough for everybody to have a couple meals a day while you're working. So you can't come in here when you're off, buy your own food. So that's Module 4. Module 5. Okay, we're partnering with Lifetime Fitness to give you an opportunity to exercise at Lifetime Fitness. What will happen is you will have the $150 initiation fee will be waived. Okay, they're going to give you $200 in credit towards in-store use. I'm not sure exactly what that implies. You can ask them there. You'll have a membership that instead of costing $69 a month, will only cost you $9 a month. Okay, so instead of $69, $9, but there's a catch. Okay, you got to use it. So if you don't go there 8 times a month or twice a week, you're not going to get the office paying your membership. You'll be responsible for the membership yourself. So if you go there twice a week or 8 times a month, doesn't matter which way you recount it, then we will pay $60 of the $69 and you only have to pay $9. Okay, so that's Module 5. And that's how we're going to wrap it up. So we had the first 3 or 4 if you're having problems losing weight and kind of put things in hyperdrive. And the last 2 modules are for eating healthy. I want you to eat the healthiest foods possible. And since I tell you this all the time, I'm going to pay for it. Okay, and I already paid for the vegetables and the grinder, but now I'm going to pay for your food because I want you to understand how important it is to me that you understand that Allure Medical Spa is about you. I want a healthy, happy, successful staff, and this is part of it. Thank you.